issue of Songhai has been in the news for a very long time. As a matter of fact, if a few of you will remember, we even considered a place to an investor who came in after his presentation, and we believing that he has the capacity. We said, okay, we were ready to sign up. Not even ready, we already signed up. But something happened. He came back to tell us that he wanted us to give him a 5 billion naira bank guarantee. We then asked him, if you have a 5 billion naira, why do we need you to come and even revitalize Songhai? We will put our 5 billion naira there. For that reason, we cancelled that arrangement. Why am I saying this? The new two companies that are coming in to manage Songhai, I hope your story will not be that way halfway through. No, I'm serious. I hope you have the capacity and all the technical know-how to handle it. It's not when we start now, after we finish inaugurating this task force, you now come back to tell us, hey, you need another $2 million. If we have $2 million, we need to invest it by ourselves. So, but I believe that with our brother, Yedima Oliver, who incidentally was one of the sieved and developed Songhai. He was working at that time with Rivers State Sustainable Development Agency. He knows and understands the working of Songhai. And now that we're making you the chairman of this task force, we want to believe that you will make that place come back to life. I don't have any doubt in your capacity. A few things you've touched, you've turned into gold. Please bring back that life that we used to see in Songhai. Bring it back with the help of your committee. We'll be here to give you all the necessary support, but make sure that what our people are yearning for, bring back Songhai. We want to see it happen within the lifetime of this administration. We want to see food sufficiency, because we know once Songhai comes on board, there will be food, which is one of the problems we're having in this country. So please, it shows that what we need, our major problem, is food. If we tackle this issue of food, 40 to 50% of our problem will be solved. So I hereby inaugurate you. Your task is very simple. Do everything within your power and with our support to make sure that Songhai becomes operational to the benefits not just the people of Tai, but to the entire River State and Nigeria as a whole.